How do we know your water's broken in labor and delivery? This is amniotic fluid under a microscope. I'm trying to get it really clear for you, but it's basically like a crystal snowflake type pattern. We're going to do a speculum exam and put some amniotic fluid on a slide and then let it dry. And we'll also put it on either some pH paper like this, or we'll have a swab. This is called the nitrazine test. Do you see that beautiful blue right there? If the nitrazine turns that blue, it is definitely amniotic fluid. I had to record this one because it was such a textbook blue. Like, look at how blue that is and beautiful. If your water is not broken when we put the slide under the microscope, it's not going to have a crystal-like pattern, and I couldn't even capture it exactly how it was on my phone. It was so much more clear when I was looking through the microscope, but it just looks like a million snowflakes. That's called a positive burning test, meaning that it is definitely amniotic fluid. When the amniotic fluid dries, it creates like a crystallized snowflake type pattern. It's kind of like, it looks like shards of glass almost. Sometimes the nitrazine, so the blue paper, can turn a little bit blue and it's maybe like questionable. And so we'll put some amniotic fluid under the slide just to verify, like, are we getting that snowflake pattern or not? There's some other things that can turn that nitrazine paper blue. Like, for instance, if you've had sex in the last 24 hours, just know that if you have had intercourse in the last 24 hours, the sperm can actually live in the woman's body for 3 to 5 days. I have had women come in thinking that their water might be broken. And when I put the slide under the microscope, there's no amniotic fluid, but I see little sperms swimming around. Next time that happens, because it does happen periodically, I'll record it for you guys so you can see what it looks like. I just think it's really interesting. I wish I could have got my phone to like focus on it, but if you see the little snowflake glass shard type pattern right here, this is what you're looking for when the amniotic fluid dries.